Hey, welcome to CAWST's Technology Talk. Today, I'm really excited about looking at yet another household item that can help disinfect your drinking water. Chlorine. There are many products in the market using chlorine to disinfect water. Pills, powder, liquid are the most common forms for disinfecting water at a household level. Okay, so I'm really excited to see how this works. But first, there's a few safety guidelines to remember. Number one, make sure to keep it in a safe place where children can't reach it. Number two, make sure the chlorine is labeled so that people don't accidentally think it's something else and use it unsafely. Number three, if you're using chlorine to treat your water, make sure that it's unscented. Lemon-scented chlorine can be great for doing the laundry or washing the floors, but it's not so safe for drinking water. Number four, avoid chlorine that's been sitting around open for a long time because it can lose its strength. Okay, now to use the chlorine, we're gonna need a bucket, the chlorine, a 1 liter pop bottle, a jug, a dropper, and a timer, which in this case, I'm gonna use my cell phone. Okay, now there's a lot of discussion about how much chlorine am I gonna need for each liter of water. We recommend putting 1 drop of chlorine in 1 liter of water. This bucket holds about 18 to 20 liters. So, how many drops of chlorine do you think I'm gonna need for a full bucket? That's right, 20 drops for a full bucket or 10 drops for the bucket being half full. So now we have to wait 30 minutes to let the chlorine do its job and so that it doesn't smell or taste too strong. The 30 minutes have passed. I can still smell a slight chlorine odor. If the chlorine odor is too strong, that probably means that you put too much chlorine in the water and you're gonna have to wait till it evaporates. Well, there you have it. That's the power of chlorine. If you'd like to learn more about chlorine or other household water treatment options, just click on the link below. Have a beautiful day and thanks for watching.